Hey there, Dr. Will Kirby here, your favorite aesthetic dermatologist, and I'm excited to announce that LaserAway is now offering Revanesse, the newest FDA-approved lip filler. So what is Revanesse? Revanesse is a hyaluronic acid-based injectable lip augmentation product that's nearly identical to other lip fillers on the market in terms of ingredients and usage. Who's the ideal candidate for Revanesse? Anyone who wants to improve the shape and possibly the size of their lips. From 18 to 88, we can enhance anyone's lips with Revanesse. How does Revanesse work? Well, the way it works is that hyaluronic acid is injected into the lips. It plumps them up because it acts like a biological sponge, and it holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, giving lips more volume. What is the treatment like? Before you come in, you'll discuss with a LaserAway clinician your goals and desired results, and we'll come up with a customized treatment plan specifically for you. From there, the treatment itself is about 15 to 20 minutes in length. It's known to be slightly uncomfortable, but very tolerable because the product is infused with lidocaine, which helps numb your lips. What are the results like? Results, like most lip fillers, are immediate. This means that you'll see a noticeable enhancement when you leave your appointment. There's a little bit of swelling, it's pretty minimal, and that varies from patient to patient, and it only lasts a few days. Additionally, clinical results have shown to last for at least 6 months, with many patients reporting that results last much longer. The reason it lasts so long is because of the placement of the product itself and because, allow me to get nerdy, neocollagenesis. See, neocollagenesis, let's break down that word. Neo meaning new, collagen, well that's collagen, and genesis meaning growth. So we cause new collagen growth from the physical placement of the product itself. That means that the injections cause your body to produce its own collagen, making the results last as long as they do. How does Revanesse compare to other lip fillers? Essentially, Revanesse is nearly identical in terms of ingredients and the results that you can expect when compared to other lip augmentation products. However, patients who get Revanesse report less immediate swelling, and you also get 20% more in each syringe, which is a better value proposition. So if you want to see if Revanesse by LaserAway is right for you, make sure to schedule a completely free virtual consultation at LaserAway today.
Ready to be a laser babe? 3 steps. 1, subscribe to our channel. 2, watch more amazing videos. And 3, schedule your free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. Then we can be friends in real life. Bye.